So for today, I will teach you on how to transfer Sweatcoin to KuCoin. So first, you just have to open the KuCoin application or on their website by signing in and entering your credentials. And then after accessing your account, you just have to navigate on your dashboard and then go to assets or your wallet section. And then once you are there, you just have to navigate to deposit button. And then after that, you just have to select Sweat as the token. And then you just have to copy the deposit address that it will show. So to transfer Sweat coins from Sweat Wallet to your KuCoin, you just have to open your Sweat Wallet application and navigate to the transfer section, and usually it is under the send or transfer options. So after that, paste the KuCoin deposit address that you've copied earlier from your application. And then, after pasting the KuCoin deposit address, you just have to enter the amount for you to be able to transfer. And just specify how much Sweat you wanted to send. And then after that, confirm the transaction by double-checking the details and approve the transaction. And then, after that, wait for a few minutes to reflect on your balance. And then, under the assets or main account, you will see the transferred assets or coins already. And that's how you transfer Sweatcoin to KuCoin.